Welcome to this tutorial. I would like to show you how to register for a new ChatGPT account. All right, if you are ready, I am absolutely ready. Let's dive in. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to get to this page. How do you get to this page? Well, you need to go to this website address here at the top. I would have this website address inside the description of this video. So you don't have to cram it, okay? But we will need to go to this address, and it is chat.openai.com. If you are typing it in the bar here, you don't need to type this part, the part that ends with after the .com. You don't need to. The browser will automatically fill in for you. But all this is long story. I will have this address in the description. Just click it and you should be good to go. But if you are the person that likes to type, it is chat.openai.com. Just type it within your browser's search bar, and you should be able to get here. Once you find yourself here, the next thing we'll do is to click the sign up, since we want to register for a new account. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click sign up. All right, it brought us to a new page. Now, in this page, this is where we will create the account. Now, there are two ways to create an account, but before we get there, please note that you will need a phone number. You basically need a phone to create a ChatGPT account. The phone is used for verification. So that is one thing I want you to keep in mind as you continue. All right, so like I said, there are two ways to create an account. One way is through email address, like you've seen here. The other way is using your Google account. So if you have Gmail, or if you have Microsoft account, or if you have an Apple account, you can choose either. For this case, I would choose using the email address. Okay, so I'm going to type in my email address. Let me type Dankore at dankoresoft.com, and I will click continue. So create your account again. Now I need to enter my password. So we have a new screen and it needs me to enter a password. So I'm going to enter a password. All right. Password must be at least 8 characters long. So yeah, I have satisfied that requirement. I will click continue. Now, I need to verify my email address. So I'm going to do that in a screen that you can see. Okay, I'm doing that right now. And I have successfully done that. And I'm going to share that screen with you. Put it here. So what I have done is they sent me an email. If you remember, we were here. They sent me an email address. I went to my email, click on the link that they sent me, and that link brought me here. This is the onboarding part. Okay, so I'm going to tell them my name. So my name is Adamu. Last name is Muhammad. Birthday, I'm not going to put my real birthday. I'm just going to make it up. Since this is a demo account, I will actually delete this account after. So day, I will have 1977, for example. Or I feel old, my fake birthday, I feel old. So um, I'm gonna just put it as 1985 or something like that. So, and then I'll continue. Now, this is where I need to verify my account number. Um, I'm gonna put my phone number, but I don't think it's gonna work because I have already used my phone number for my real accounts. So, but that's all you need to do is you need to add, like for example, I can add my phone number, and then I'm gonna click send code. Like I said, it's not gonna allow me. I don't know if it is even worth it to try, but let me try it. But it's not gonna allow me. So as you can see, this phone number is already linked to the maximum number of accounts. And they normally allow you to open 2 accounts per phone number. So, but you should have no issues if your phone number has not been used with ChatGPT. Once you verify your number, the next page would be to get the code and to put it and verify, and you would be good to go. Um, so now I'm going to show you what it's going to look like once you are able to get in. So what I would do is I will actually log in with my account so that I can show you how it's going to look like when with one of my accounts. So this is what it's going to look like when you finally verified your with your account number. It's going to look like this. Once you are able to see this page, um, you have successfully created and registered an account with ChatGPT. So just a quick tour. Um, this is the new chart. So I'm going to show you what that does in a minute. But you have at the bottom left, you have upgrade to plus. Upgrade to plus is a feature where once you pay them about $20 a month, you will have a better ChatGPT essentially, and you would have no interruption in service. Okay, with a free account, with this account, sometimes there is a lot of people who are using it that you may not be able to use it. So that is one of the disadvantages of having a free account. So right now there aren't many people who are using it. That's why I'm actually able to log in. And then here you have kind of your account. You can go to settings. You can choose some stuff. You can export your data. You can delete your account. You can enable two-factor authentication. You can explore these settings yourself. But the main thing here is the chat. So let me ask ChatGPT a simple question. How many states are there in Nigeria? So as you can see, it says as of September, there are 36 states in Nigeria. The reason why it mentioned this is because ChatGPT doesn't know of any information after this date, after September 2021. So if you ask it any latest knowledge, it doesn't know it. So it is trained with information before then. So that's why it always kind of give you a caveat. So as you can see on the left, we have a chat. We have one chat. If I want to create a new chat, I'm going to click new chat. So let's do that. And now I have a brand new page where I can ask question again. How do I make a jollof rice? So the more chat you have, the more of this on the left, as you can see, the more you have. So that is it, guys. I hope this is useful. If it is, do not forget to subscribe, to share this video with other people who you think might need it. Thank you very much for coming. And there's a lot you can do with ChatGPT. This is just the beginning. Maybe I might be able to do a video uh, uh, of kind of what you can do with ChatGPT. But right now, this is the scope of this video. So thank you. Try it yourself. Ask it any question, and you'll be amazed at what this can do. So thank you again, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.